Hi, I'm Jack Kane. I'm a rural councillor on the Port Pirie Regional Council. I'm here today talking about unsealed roads. Port Pirie Council has got over 1,000 kilometres of unsealed roads. These roads carry a lot of traffic, including farm machinery, school buses and local residents. Council is doing its utmost to maintain all these roads to an acceptable standard. They have different categories of roads, sealed roads, unsealed roads, down to bush tracks. All these roads have to be maintained. Council works hard with local district associations, the Ag Bureau and other different community groups to get feedback with their road maintenance. For those who are interested, you can go to the Port Pirie Regional Council website and find out the resheeting program. Council has an interactive map that ratepayers will find and let them know what roads have been done and what roads are planned to be done in the future. This should help the community a long way to keeping up to date with what's happening. Anyone that's not involved with the development associations or local groups, you can contact council and get the details of the website and check it out yourself. It's well worth seeing.